Alright YouTube, welcome back. Another Wyman video. So I've had the Ender 2 for about 4 days. I've been printing stuff, working with it as much as I possibly can. I downloaded some doors from Thingiverse for a little Jeep that I'm working on for my cousin Craig. So far that's my longest print. That took about 3 hours and 14 minutes. And the front side of them looks really good. I should have set my infill a little bit different on my supports. Got pretty rough on the backside. I think they'll still work. I'll do some sanding and some finishing and whatnot on them. But the detail on them is pretty amazing. I mean, those little holes there are only about a millimeter. So that's pretty amazing, and it fits right on there. I mean, it's not too bad. I think they're going to work awesome. I printed some other stuff. I'm starting to work on a roll cage designing. This is just a test fit print. This took about 15 minutes to print. Not very good resolution, as you can see. I printed it really fast. I just wanted to test fit it, see how it fit. And it looks like it's going to fit really well. So I'm pretty happy with that. I have had a couple of failures, just learning curve, stuff like that. Poor bed adhesion, figuring out how to level the bed correctly so that your prints come out right, and also, you know, making sure that your prints, when you're in your slicer, are level on the platform. I noticed on this one, that's where I got some poor bed adhesion, and my print started to lift up. And it started to lift because I went back into my slicer program, and when I rotated it, I didn't get it perfectly level on the bed. So it started to lift up. Not a big deal. Changed it around, ran it back through, actually flipped it over, started printing it in a different orientation, and it worked out really well. Right now I'm using Idea Maker, and Idea Maker is a free program that you can download, and it's really good. It's comparable to Simplify 3D. I don't know for sure because I've never used Simplify 3D, but from what Maker's Muse says, it is pretty comparable, and you can add supports manually, which is huge, because if I wasn't able to add supports manually, I don't think these would have come out as good as they did. So that's a big thing, is being able to manually enter your supports. There's, as you can see, there's tons of material left over after you do your supports and stuff, but supports are great. They make your prints come out really nice. So use supports. I've designed a couple of things on my own. These are actually some filament guides that I've designed, and on Fusion 360, another free program, and dropped them into Mesh Mixer, from Mesh Mixer into Idea Maker, and that works out. It works out awesome. So Mesh Mixer just basically makes it so you can transfer it from whatever file format that Fusion 360 drops it out of into an STL, to where you can drop it into any standard slicer. So that's the steps I'm taking right now. If you have a better way to do it, let me know, and I will try that out. These are some filament guides that I downloaded from Thingiverse, and they didn't quite come out great, as you can see. Had some issues. Wasn't able to fix it, so I designed my own, and it's working out. Just gonna have to go through the steps and figure out how to make it as best I can. So that's where we're at so far. I will definitely post up some more stuff when I have some more stuff to post. Jump over and check out Maker's Muse. Angus is awesome. Watch his videos, the Printing 101 videos. Tons of great information in there. So look up Maker's Muse for sure. Great source of information. And that's it for now. And I will post up some more stuff as soon as I have some. And till next time, keep on making cool stuff.